Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update error 2. The system cannot find the file specified error in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Click WUAU serve, open image path, copy text from description and paste it. Close and restart system. Type services in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.